Our residency program features a tailored experience where every resident gets to really finesse their training to their own unique interests.
The education of residents is certainly one of our core missions as a department.
Some of the lessons that I try to teach them are not necessarily just the medical lessons, but also things that they can take out from the operating room into their other working environment and maybe even outside from that.
We've just added the intern program, which helps residents kind of get a head start where they're already doing about 5 to 6 months of ophthalmology from day one.
This is something that's unique across the nation. What we're able to do is take residents, give them a little bit more time in ophthalmology and start their training early.
If we're going to be doing ophthalmology for the remainder of our career, it's great to be able to get as much of that time during our 4-year total residency as possible.
The common characteristics that we have here from the staff to the residents to medical students training and the faculty are that we all feel passionate about delivering the best care possible.
Our trainees have opportunity to do an international surgical away rotation in India.
During their overseas rotation, the environment in which they operate, the training they get, the kind of patients they're dealing with, quite different compared to what they may see here.
Our 3 main training sites, there's Northwestern, there is our VA, and then there's also Lurie Children's Hospital, and we're exposed to different patient populations in all of these sites.
For me, it's the perfect blend of really strong academics, but then having a sense of community where the attendings really care for us.
You want to be able to go to a department that is very supportive of whatever your career goals are, and I feel like Northwestern is that kind of department.
We truly care about and value the residents' opinions, and we work very hard on a regular basis to make sure that their input is heard and is actually enacted.
The institution as a whole, as well as our department, places a huge emphasis on work-life balance.
When you finish up with work, you walk outside, you're in downtown Chicago, you're right next to the lake, you can go to restaurants, you can spend time around the city. It's kind of brought it all together for me.
Having that mix, being able to learn from the best, but then having an environment to implement your training in the way you've learned and to kind of spread your wings of sorts, you want to be able to have that, and Northwestern has that.